Wildlife researchers face many challenges. One of the biggest is studying elusive animals. These animals are difficult to observe. They may be nocturnal, meaning they are active at night. They may be highly mobile, traveling long distances. They may also be very good at avoiding detection. This makes it hard to learn about their behavior, population numbers, and habitat needs. Understanding these animals is crucial. We need information to protect them. Without enough data, conservation efforts become difficult. This is where technology, particularly artificial intelligence, is stepping in to bridge the gap. Traditional methods have limitations. AI offers innovative solutions for the future of wildlife conservation. Chapter 2. Scientists have used various methods to study wildlife for decades. These methods have limitations. Direct observation is one method. Researchers track animals in the wild. This is time-consuming, it can be dangerous, it is not always reliable, animals may not be visible. Camera traps are another method. These are cameras triggered by motion. They take pictures when an animal passes by. However, camera traps have drawbacks. They require a lot of effort to set up and monitor. They can be triggered by non-target animals, leading to a large amount of useless data. These limitations highlight the need for more advanced and efficient tracking methods. Chapter 3. Artificial intelligence is changing the game. AI can process massive amounts of data. It can identify patterns. This ability is invaluable for analyzing wildlife data. AI is being used to develop new tools for tracking animals. These tools are more efficient and accurate than traditional methods. One exciting application of AI is in footprint identification technology. Every animal's footprint is unique, much like a human fingerprint. AI algorithms can be trained to recognize these individual prints. This allows researchers to track individual animals over time without ever having to physically capture or tag them. This non-invasive approach is revolutionizing our understanding of animal behavior and movement patterns. Chapter 4. WildTrack, a case study in AI-powered conservation. WildTrack is a non-profit organization. They are a leader in AI-powered conservation. WildTrack has developed a system called Footprint Identification Technology, or FIIT. FIT uses AI to identify individual animals from their footprints. This technology has been used to study a variety of species, including endangered species like the brown hyena. Brown hyenas are notoriously difficult to track using traditional methods. They are nocturnal and solitary. FIT allows researchers to monitor brown hyena populations more effectively. This information is crucial for developing conservation strategies to protect this vulnerable species. Chapter 5. Benefits of AI in wildlife conservation. AI offers numerous benefits for wildlife conservation. AI can analyze vast amounts of data quickly. This allows researchers to identify trends and patterns that would be impossible to do manually. AI can help us understand animal behavior. We can learn about their migration patterns and see how they are impacted by habitat loss. This information is vital for developing effective conservation strategies. AI can also help us combat poaching and wildlife trafficking. AI algorithms can be used to analyze images and videos to detect illegal activities. This can help law enforcement catch poachers and protect endangered animals. Section 6. A brighter future for endangered species. The future of wildlife conservation is intertwined with technology. AI offers new hope for endangered species. AI allows us to study and protect animals like never before. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications in conservation. These advancements will be crucial in our fight to protect the planet's biodiversity for generations to come. By harnessing the power of AI, we can create a brighter future for all species, ensuring a healthy and vibrant planet for generations to come. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.